perfect rice, how to cook rice. Really simple video. But listen, buy cheap, buy twice. Always buy the most expensive rice that you can. Rice that's cheap is cheap for a reason. It really, really is. So try and buy a nice quality one, spend all your money on it. I always go double the amount of water to the rice, nice big pan, so easy. Why am I making this video? Because you asked me. So, not all rice is equal. This is the rice that I like using. It's called India Gate, it's called Super, and it's aged for 1 year. It's not the cheapest rice by a long way. It's quite expensive. It's one of the most expensive ones where I live, but I love it. So yeah, like I say, not all rice is equal. Buy cheap, buy twice. So here's my rice here. Now I've got 3 cups of rice. Now I like to go 3 cups of rice, 6 cups of water, so double the amount of water. Some people would actually put more than that. Now what we're going to do is I'm going to get that rice, I'm going to rinse it through in some cold or warm water 2 to 3 times, drain it off, then we're ready to go. So I've washed the rice through 2 to 3 times. We're going to add salt, about a teaspoon of salt, and then we're going to add double the amount of water. So 3 cups of rice, 6 cups of water. And like I say, some people would add even more. Now you want a kind of a nice big pan. Don't cook rice in a small pan. It's a bit like pasta, you know what I mean? It needs to kind of expand and move around a little bit. So a nice big pan that you've got. The heat's going to go on now, and we're going to bring it to the boil. Lid's going to go on. This will take about 10 to 12 minutes, this rice, but all rice is very different. Okay, so that was about 10 minutes for me. Now I've just turned the heat off. Let's have a look in there. That's beautiful. Now, look at that, it's really lovely and fluffy. Now, never ever wash your rice. Don't wash it. Lots of people wash rice. Just leave it. It's going to be really good. What I'm going to do now is just stick the lid back on just for a minute or 2. Okay, and there you go. Just beautiful, lovely, fluffy, cooked rice. If you wanted, you could add some ghee, butter or oil to that, either here now or in the pan near the end. But yeah, beautiful. So, not all rice is the same. Buy cheap, buy twice. So always buy the most expensive rice that you can. There's a reason that cheap rice is cheap. A nice big pot. And then, like I say, I always go double water to rice. Hope that's helped. See you soon. Lots of love.